Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupal from Sugar Poetry Bakes. Come, let's make this beautiful Rapunzel cake together. तो ये ऑर्डर 1 kg वनीला केक का था एंड मैंने 2 डिफरेंट स्पंज से 4 लेयर्स कट करी है इन टोटल। इस बार ना बहुत इवन लेयर्स कट नहीं हो पाई थी, बट आज तक इतने केक्स बना लिए हैं एंड इतनी बेकिंग कर ली है कि अब थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है दैट एवरीथिंग कैन बी फिक्स्ड। इनिशियली तो कुछ भी चीज़ परफेक्ट नहीं होती थी तो डर लगने लगता था, बट नॉट एनी मोर। एनीवेज, तो बचपन में तो हम सब ने बहुत डिज्नी कार्टून्स देखे हैं, बहुत सारी फेरी टेल्स देखी हैं एंड आई थिंक every girl has someday or the other imagined herself as a Disney princess living a fairy tale life. मेरी तो फेवरेट थी स्नो वाइट एंड आप भी कमेंट करके बताइएगा विच वन वॉज योर फेवरेट डिज्नी प्रिंसेस. Now we are almost done with the crumb coating, so I'll just go into the story time of this order. So मुझे ये ऑर्डर एक क्यूट सी गर्ल के लिए आया था and her favorite princess is Rapunzel from Tangled. So in case you don't know, Rapunzel is known for her long hair. So as we've seen in most of the fairy tales, she was also imprisoned wrongly in a castle and she was at the topmost floor. So when her Prince Charming came to rescue her, she used her hair to make him climb up the castle. I think that was quite a creative way of getting rescued. So now I'm done with the final icing as well, and उसके ऊपर मैंने pink and purple की shades दी है because that's the dress color of Rapunzel. Now I moved on to the fondant part. तो आपने thumbnail में केक का actual look देखा होगा. So I made the face and the hands using fondant and बाकी सब मैंने cream से work करा है. So after cutting the fondant face and the hands, I'm painting the eyes. So of course, because everything is edible, the paints are also edible here, and I personally love painting on cakes. So Disney princesses की eyes are very big and deep, so I tried to give it as much depth as possible using olive, green and black color. Then I painted on the red lips and I'm just giving it some shade. So I'm starting by placing the face on the cake. Then one of the arms. इसके बाद using purple cream, I'm creating an outline of the dress because that's the color of her dress. Now this was a very slow process because I had to get everything right and it had to be as precise as possible. Now after the bodice part is done, I'm drawing on the frock part. And then I'm just gonna fill it in. इसके बाद using a palette knife, I'm smoothing out the dress. Now I'm going over the outline once again. This will give some texture and structure to the dress and थोड़ा सा उसकी frills and pleats will show. Now any Disney princess gown is incomplete without puffy sleeves. So drawing the same now. Now using pink color, I'm making the design on the dress. I tried to match the colors as close as possible and I think I did a good job here. Then I've added the second hand. Now I'm drawing on the lace part and the bow on the dress. Now we've moved on to the most important part and that's her hair. So So I decided to draw each and every strand separately just to give it as much volume and texture as possible. This way I could also give it the right curves and the right bounce on the hair. I've also added a huge flick on her forehead. And because the length of her ponytail is unparalleled, I had to draw it as long as I could. This is the final look of the cake, and trust me, the photographs, the video is not doing justice to how beautiful it looked in person. I hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe and follow for more.